Okay, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now, today we are going to start a introduction of chapter 8, that is market around us. Interesting chapter. Why? Because it is related to our daily life. It concerns with our daily life. If you want to purchase anything, if you need anything, to we visit to the market. Without market, you know what we feel our life is not a full, not a completed incomplete life we feel without the market. So you know market plays the important role in our life. Without market, how do we feel? You know, so in this chapter we'll discuss about the market around us. So what different type of market are around us. So in this we'll discuss first weekly market. You know, earlier time there were weekly market conducted. Weekly market means a market held at the single day of week, particular day of the week. We suppose in a week, Wednesday, maybe the market will be conducted at the Rasmi, and the next day, Thursday, market will be conducted in Begu. Next day, market will be conducted in Kapasan, like this. So weekly market held a single day of week. वीक में एक बार लगता था ओके वीकली मार्केट शॉप्स आर टेम्परेरी नॉट अ परमानेंट दैट्स व्हाई product whatever product available in weekly market they are available at the cheap cost. Okay, that's why, because no such permanent shop are required, no electricity charges required, no other expenses are required like this. That's why such product were cheap, available at the cheap cost in weekly market. But in weekly market, most of product are the loose, like a not branded. So in this earlier time, weekly market were famous. They were conducted a weekly market, and you know after that, shops in neighborhood. This is the one variety of market. Whatever shops are located in our neighborhood where you are living, you maybe see the different shop like a Russell shop. You may be the costume shop, stationery shop, like yes, such shops are available in your surrounding in neighborhood. Dairy shop, if you need a milk, maybe you may be purchased from dairy. If you need pen or register, so stationery shop, like this. So this market is known as the neighborhood market, which is located in your surrounding. That is known as the shops in neighborhood in your surrounding. Another one, in place of shopping complex and malls. So in big cities, shopping malls are located. You know, big cities shopping mall located, and the malls are located like a Udaipur Celebration Mall, like a big mall, big bazaars, Vishal Mega Market, like a D Mart. These are the different malls are located in a big cities, metro city. So these are the malls. What is the difference between the malls and shop? On a shop, we can purchase only whatever item we require. Means the suppose we are visiting the stationery shop, so we can purchase the stationery item only. But inside the malls, we can purchase vegetable to any one product, like a electricity product, electronic product, clothes, vegetable, all are available at the one place that is known as the malls. Like in malls, we can purchase any product from the one place. Okay. So these are the malls are located. You know very well about the malls, shopping malls or big malls located. And next topic in this will discuss about the chain of market. You know, market run through the chain. First, you know, raw material collected from the farmers or whatever, so different sources. Later on, by help of the manufacturing, such product change into the valuable product. Suppose cotton may be collected from the purchase from the farmer. Later on, in industry, it change into the thread or cloth. Later on, it change into the shirt. Or in market, final product are available. Okay. So this is the chain that work in market from the who producer, later on mediator, later on who change in the valuable product, later on the wholesaler supply, later on the retailer suppliers, later on the shops. Through this chain प्रोडक्ट कम इन मार्केट, पूरी चेन में से घूमता हुआ प्रोडक्ट ऐसे मार्केट में आता है। इफ यू वांट टू परचेज स्मॉल क्वांटिटी ऑफ एनी प्रोडक्ट यूनिट, एनी प्रोडक्ट की कोई भी स्मॉल क्वांटिटी आप परचेज करना चाहते हो तो यू मे बी परचेज फ्रॉम द रिटेलर, यू मे बी परचेज फ्रॉम द शॉप। बट इफ यू वांट टू परचेज mass quantity or large quantity, so you may be purchased from the wholesaler. So wholesaler price and retailer price will be different, because every one person profit include in this chain. So we will discuss in detail about the market and chain of market, how to the chain of market run, how to one person interlink with the other person, how to they supply their product in market. We'll study in this chapter about this topic, chain of market. So you know there is the variation between the different person regarding the product cost. So you know wholesalers cost will be less compared than the retailer, compared than the shopkeeper. Why? Because he supply the product in large quantity. If you need one or two unit of any product, आपको कोई एक या दो प्रोडक्ट ही चाहिए वहां से, तो होलसेल पे वो नहीं मिलेंगे. From where you can purchase from the shop like this. So we will study about the chain market. Now today markets everywhere. It is true dear. Markets are everywhere. Means the everywhere means the markets are located everywhere. So this is possible through the IT, information technology. This is possible through the IT, information technology. If you want to purchase any product from a market here, if you want to purchase any product from a market, so you know market is available everywhere. Means you can purchase the any product from your own. Just suppose I am standing inside the classroom. So if I want to purchase any product, so I will be visit the Amazon sites, Flipkart site. There are the different sites are given on a net, or you may be order from any place for any product. So today we can say market inside my pocket. Market is everywhere. Market हर जगह पे. Market is everywhere. Market is located everywhere. Market inside my mobile. It is possible for me. I purchase any product through this mobile. Market is available inside my classroom. Market is available inside your home. Market is available anywhere. So today market everywhere. हर जगह पे market है. कैसे? Through the mobile, through the communication, it is possible. You can order any product through your mobiles. You want to visit a doctor, so you maybe take an advance booking. So like a market is everywhere dear. Through the information technology, it is possible. So you know very well. During the festival, you also purchase the product from the different website through the different apps. Okay, dear. So today we can say market is everywhere. Last topic, market and equality. Everyone who are working inside the market, all are getting the same profit? No. So we can say equality? No. In market, every one person not a getting equal income, equal profit. Why? Because those person who are selling their product in weekly market, or any one person who are selling their product in shopping malls, both income are different. So why this is going on? Why this income are different? Because due to the investment of money, lot of employees are required, electricity required, AC charges are required, you know, building is required, all the things are required in there. That's why their cost also include in the product. But in weekly market, they are selling the loose product, no such cost are required. That's why they are available at the cheap cost. So their earning is less than the those who are working in permanent shop. So why there is the variation between their income, between their profit? So we will discuss market equality or not. Those people who are working in market all are getting the equal or equality or equal income or not. We will discuss in this topic. Okay, dear. So these are the main point. In this chapter, we will discuss market is everywhere. What is the weekly market? What are the shop? Your neighborhood market, which are the shop located in your neighboring market. We'll discuss about the shopping malls. We'll discuss how to the chain market run. In this topic, how to the chain market run. So all this point we'll discuss in this chapter, dear. So tomorrow we'll start this chapter from beginning onwards.